My name is Monique Riskus and I work for Vlisco Group as a brand protection director. I started working for Vlisco 5 years ago as a country manager for DRC, Congo. And at that time, I was in contact with an old friend of mine called Esther Toto. This woman was living in Kinshasa, but I found out she actually moved to the North Kivu, the city of Goma. And she was actually involved in leadership training, but also into taking care of women who had experienced different types of violations, for difficulties and distresses. And the idea came to me to give her 2 sewing machines and fabrics for ladies to make a few dresses for themselves. So I did send it to her, and when I saw the enthusiasm and so much joy that it gave to the hearts of these women, I decided to visit them on my next trip to Goma. And this is where the whole story started, when I heard what type of hardship and difficulties women experienced, not only in Goma but also in Bukavu, in South Kivu. I decided to do something for Vlisco, to do something for these women. Working as a country manager, I was in contact with women who were trading, were distributing our products. And I also wanted to get in contact with not only consumer, but other types of women, to look at the woman in general, the profile of the woman in Congo. So I did come visit Goma, the North Kivu and South Kivu. Both cities were Goma and Bukavu. And there, when I came, I heard a lot of different stories on what happened to the women in this particular region. And the stories were devastating. So I decided to be more active and help these women in a more active way. So the idea of providing tailoring program to some women came to my mind.
Je m'appelle Kaindo Espérance. Je m'appelle Luanda Charlotte. Je m'appelle Bouira Kitumaini. Je m'appelle Faraja Chuma. Je m'appelle Komeza. Alors, quand mon mari est parti, nous a abandonnés avec mes 2 enfants, j'ai commencé à chercher quoi faire. C'est alors que il y a quelques amis qui m'ont intéressé à vendre la braise. Nous avons fui la guerre. Quand nous sommes arrivés ici à Goma, 3 ans après, mon mari est décédé. Je suis restée toute seule avec mes enfants. Quand nous avons fui à Pinga, nous sommes arrivés là-bas et la guerre est arrivée, là nous avons encore fui. Et quand nous avons fui, j'ai fui sans mes parents, nous nous sommes séparés. Je suis une fille et mère. J'ai été violée. Et le garçon a fui. Et il a commencé à me violer. Et comme j'avais très peur, et comme je tremblais que j'étais enceinte, j'ai manqué quoi faire.
Je me suis retrouvée mère à l'âge de 15 ans. J'avais déjà un enfant. Après 5 ans, mon mari sera décédé et j'ai élevé seul mes enfants dans la souffrance. Quelques années plus tard, 10 ans en moins, je me suis retrouvée malade. En faisant les tests, je me suis retrouvée séropositive.
Alors il m'a dit qu'à Goma on pouvait soigner ma maladie. Il a pris qu'à l'hôpital, c'est là qu'on m'a soigné. C'est là qu'on a commencé à me soigner, on m'a opéré par 9 fois. Et malgré toutes ces opérations-là, je ne suis jamais guérie.
We recruited 30 women who started the first session. It started last year in September. And after 6 months, we did the evaluations and gave them the first certificates. So that was very, very interesting and very motivating, and it gave me a lot of energy to continue this program. This year we started another session in September with another 30 women. As the training program goes on, we have new ideas, we have new challenges, and finally we evaluated 7 ladies with a very, very good level. They were evaluated by the Tailor Association of Goma. We want to involve the local Tailor Association because we want them to support, and we also need them to continue to providing the courses. We have 6 tailors that give the training course here in Goma. Today we have another 30 women in class and also 7 ladies out of the previous session. The 7 women are for us the pioneers of this tailoring program, and we want to bring them to a very high level of tailoring, but also to participate to our business into maybe making shirts or ready to wear, or integrate them in a way or another to the business we are doing here in Goma. As this program has been very successful, we also would like to roll out this program to other countries in Africa. And the next country we would like to do this is Ghana. And this is how the story started.